The Cardano Foundation, a nonprofit organization and custodian of the Cardano blockchain, has taken to Twitter to share the highlights of the about-to-be-concluded year of 2022. The Cardano Foundation highlights several partnerships formed this year, as well as figures demonstrating explosive on-chain growth. Welcome to Cardano Insider. We provide the latest news of Cardano ADA. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. This includes a 3-year collaboration between the Cardano Foundation and the Blockchain Center of the University of Zurich, UZHBCC, one of the leading research universities in Europe, to explore the development of blockchain education and research initiatives. Also, the Cardano Foundation has collaborated with Georgia's National Wine Agency, the Balnasai Winemakers Association, and Scantris to create a solution on the Cardano blockchain to ensure the quality and authenticity of Georgian wine. In November, the Cardano Foundation announced a new collaboration with the UN Refugee Agency's national partner in Switzerland for UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. A glance at the Cardano Improvement Proposals, CIPs, was also provided in a graphic. The concluding year of 2022 saw a 100% growth in proposals. There were 50 reviewed proposals, 20 proposals under review, 38 new CIP authors, and 155 pull requests in 2022, with over 2,700 comments in the year. According to the graphic posted by the Cardano Foundation, the number of Plutus scripts has risen to 4,445, representing a 394% increase since 2021. Native tokens are now over 7.3 million, marking a 192% increase since 2021. The number of minting policies has increased 69% year-over-year to 66,950. The number of transactions reached 56.9 million, up 139% from 2021. At the same time, the overall number of wallets grew by 47% to 3.80 million, while the number of delegated wallets increased by 27% to 1.24 million. According to the latest statistics provided by Cardano Blockchain IOG, 1,151 projects are in various stages of development on the blockchain. So far, 111 projects have been launched. Coinbase released its 2023 crypto market outlook, but Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has noted that the network was left out. With less than 2 weeks left in the year 2022, companies have begun looking to the new year and tailoring their expectations for the year. For crypto companies such as Coinbase, it includes development on important which they are watching and how they expect these networks to perform in the new year. The report released by Coinbase takes a look at the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the developments, as well as topics such as regulation and NFTs, among others. However, in a tweet, Charles Hoskinson notes that the report does not mention the Cardano network. The tweet, which included a screenshot of the first page of the 57-page report, said, "Not a single mention of Cardano. Pretty low and pretty sad. I honestly expected better." This has now sparked speculations that the crypto exchange had intentionally left out Cardano, especially when it mentions other layer 1s such as Avalanche, Phantom, and Solana, all of which Cardano ranks above in terms of market cap. A reply under the founder's tweet also pointed out that the Cardano news and community updates section on the Coinbase app were all out of date, with the last post highlighted to be from October 4th. Coinbase report mainly revolved around the current crypto market landscape. Although it does not mention Cardano, it focuses heavily on layer 1s and layer 2s, which it says was becoming much more competitive with time. The report explains that a lot of the activity on these blockchains was swaying outside of the established cyclical market trend. Instead, each blockchain sees differences in usage and transaction growth not in tandem with one another. There is healthy user demand for solutions that address issues of scalability, speed, and/or transaction fees, but what is less obvious is whether this will become a winner-take-all market, the report says. It also mentions the FTX collapse and how the event has affected the liquidity in the market. Likewise, it has also had an impact on how legislation around the market is being viewed, as well as the diminished trust in the market following the crypto exchange's implosion. But Coinbase expects the aftermath to provide a ripe environment for new innovation to push the industry towards more sustainable growth and less speculation. On Wednesday, ADA fell by 2.32%. Reversing a 2.37% gain from Tuesday, ADA ended the day at $0.253. Notably, ADA fell to a new 2022 low while ending the day at sub-$0.260 for the third consecutive day. Bearish throughout the Wednesday session, ADA fell from an early morning high of $0.259 to a mid-morning and 2022 low of $0.248. ADA fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.253. However, finding late support, ADA revisited $0.254 before easing back. S1 capped the upside within the final hour. On Wednesday, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson responded to the Coinbase 2023 Crypto Market Outlook report, saying, "Not a single mention of Cardano. Pretty low and pretty sad. I honestly expected better." While Hoskinson has talked about a likely influx of projects onto the Cardano network in the new year, the weekly development updates have shown a modest increase since the Vasil hard fork. The input-output HK weekly updates have pegged ADA back from a return to $0.300. Since the Vasil hard fork, 13 projects have launched on the Cardano network, with the number of projects building on the network rising by 51. While the exclusion from the Coinbase report will have tested buyer interest, a broad-based crypto pullback contributed to the Wednesday loss. The SBF extradition to the U.S. raises concerns over the influence of SBF testimony on lawmakers and regulators and their plans for the crypto market. Binance could fall back into the spotlight, with SBF likely to explain the connection with Binance and whether Binance contributed to the collapse of FTX. Today, FTX-related news updates and IOHK and Hoskinson chatter will continue to influence. However, we expect U.S. economic indicators and the Nasdaq to provide direction late in the session. Despite the Wednesday decoupling from the Nasdaq, U.S. economic indicators and the Fed are among the key drivers. This morning, ADA was up 0.4% to $0.254. A mixed start to the day saw ADA fall to an early low of $0.252 before finding support. ADA needs to avoid the $0.253 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.259. A return to $0.260 would signal a bullish session. However, ADA would need the broader market to support a breakout afternoon session. In the event of an extended rally, the bulls will likely take a run at the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.264. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.275. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level, S1, at $0.248 into play. Barring another risk-off-fueled sell-off, ADA should avoid sub-$0.245 and the second major support level, S2, at $0.242. The third major support level, S3, sits at $0.231. This morning, the EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bearish signal. ADA sat below the 50-day EMA, currently at $0.271. The 50-day EMA fell back from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA pulling back from the 200-day EMA, delivering bearish signals. A move through R1, $0.259, would support a run at R2, $0.264, and the 50-day EMA, $0.271. However, failure to move through the 50-day EMA, $0.271, would leave ADA under pressure. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on Cardano Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.